Hi everybody and welcome to Champion Trading Corp. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Kaps All Model E automatic capper. Has a centrifugal bowl feeder. It's operating on 120 volt. It is a 4 quill machine that has 2 pairs. Has variable speed on both the tightening quills as well as the tightening belts. Has a automatic cap feeder. You hear operating now. And of course when the eye is covered, you'll see that right here. There's a small delay built into it and the cap feeder will shut off. Of course then when it thinks that there's a need for more caps, after the delay is satisfied, you can hear it turn back on right there. These are very popular as they has the C-frame design. You allows you to roll it up to your existing conveyor. It's a 24-inch centrifugal feeder up top. It does have the original casters with it, removed for storage of course. Manually operated here with these 2 shafts and a small turning mechanism that fits over them. You can move the capper up and down. Of course the belts in and out as well as the tightening quills. We have lots of cappers in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.